I am trying something different. I'm trying the one take vid. And I gotta tell you, these have never been terribly great for me. But I'm gonna give it a try anyway. It's kind of a little challenge I'm having. So all I'm doing today is I'm making my dinner. And I'm not using the overhead cam, so know that that's not going to be there. But I'm making something really simple. So this stays really well within my keto. I'm having a salad and I'm breaking up the lettuce a little more because, believe it or not, I don't measure my salad. Hopefully that's not too bad. Okay, so if I was going to measure my salad, here's 1 cup. And as funny as that sounds, that's what all I eat with my dinner. I know a lot of people eat a lot more, but that's what I eat. So this organic wash 3 times, think that's okay? That's all I'm doing, making my dinner. So I use this Alvin's Incredible. It's gluten-free, it's vegan, it's paleo, it's keto. There's no sugars in it. And then because I am only using a cup, I'm going to put some toppings on that. So I'm going to use some onion, just as you can see, like this. Put it on. Small amount of tomato. Because I do this every night, I'm pretty sure of what I'm doing. And we're talking maybe a tablespoon. Okay, I wish these are easy to open. And then I'm just putting my, how many? 4 slices of radishes. I don't add a lot to my stuff. I don't. And then that's all going to go up. I'm keeping an eye on my steak. And then the one thing I do that I haven't seen a lot of people doing, they used to do it on Atkins a lot, is the blue cheese. So the blue cheese has 1 carb in it. And I'm looking at everything's in it. Okay, not exactly the best. And so I'm going to have to learn how to make this. But 2 tablespoons and it's 1 carb. 1 tablespoon, that's all I use. I'm only having a cup of salad. I don't need a ton on there. Because the main attraction for me is actually the steak, right? That's the main thing that I want. Because at this point, I have to, okay, I am not the resident expert on this stuff, but I've been reading a lot of books on it and a lot of peer-reviewed stuff, right? And what I'm understanding is my pancreas is working along with my liver, and my insulin is just off the charts. It's trying to make it, it's trying to do it the right thing, but it's probably just off the charts. And I can say that because I'm diabetic, I have Hashimoto's, I have all those markers, a couple other autoimmune things, and just on that little bit of a downward spiral. So I'm pretty sure that's how this is working. So what I'm doing is I am going a stricter keto. Now, I don't know. They say dirty keto, lazy keto, whatever keto. All I know is 20 total carbs or less a day. And that's what I'm sticking to. And I can tell it because I haven't been feeling so great. And I have to tell you, when you're on keto, I don't know, I'm so matchy. when you're on keto, you're not always going to feel that great. So this is probably a little bit more steak than what I need. And so, okay, I fried it in butter. Yes, 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 I did it. I'll admit to it. I did it. I love it. And that's basically it. I got a steak. I got salad. And I'm going to eat. So this is what I'm going to be basically on. It's not the worst life in the world, eating steak and salad for dinner. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Click subscribe. And then every Wednesday you'll get my videos, and I'll take a little bit of a deeper dive into my understanding of keto. But again, it's my understanding, and it's the way I'm following this path. So everybody's got their own path, right? So if you're interested in it, please come join me on Wednesdays, and we'll talk. Okay? Okay, I love you guys. Bye. I'm going to get into the steak, yeah.